What about Oro One? Oro One is a POGO service provider. Inaamin nyo ba na presidente kayo ng Oro One?
请问这个 Or One 是一个博彩公司，您能确认你是否这个 Or One 的总经理吗？
因为当时他给我租啊，他就是说要我们要申请一个那个叫营业执照还是什么公司吧，就是要我们用，因为他是那个中国人嘛，他就是要我们提供，就是给他做这个营业执照吧，所以就是申请这个叫欧罗湾还是叫什么，我也不大清楚，大概就这样，应该是这样。
I'm actually not sure about the name of the company, if it's Or1, but what I can remember is perhaps during that time when they were opening, they needed a business permit. They needed to apply for a business or operating permit. That's why my name was there.
Sir, masyado kayong high level para gawing dummy, nino man. I don't think na may not sure dito. I don't think na may maybe dito. Kasi ito pinapakita namin, PAGCOR license issued to Oro One bilang POGO service provider ng Sunway Technologies Inc. Kilala nyo ba si Wei Xiong-lin?
请问您认识这个韦兄林吗？韦兄林，韦兄林，魏兄林，韦兄林。
魏兄林
是的。
不认识。
I don't know him.
You don't know him. Mukhang pinagpalit lang yung pangalan niya sa Sunway Technologies, kung saan service provider ang Oro One, kung saan presidente kayo dito sa official document na ito ng PAGCOR. Ipakita ko sa inyo yung letrato ni Wei Xiong-lin o Alan Lim mula sa aming dating investigasyon sa Pharmaly ng Blue Ribbon Committee. Dito rin sa Senado. Do you remember him now?
Which one there in the picture?
Yung katabi dyan sa letrato. Kaliwa, dito sa big photo.
在左边。
这个我有见过，这个有见过。
The one on the left, I have met him.
So you have met. Kilala nyo si Wei Xiong-lin. Paano nyo siya kilala?
你是怎么认识他？
这个有时候在那个，比如说华人嘛，华人有见过，有见过他。
就是在华人区这边。
华人圈子里面，有些比如说去人家有什么结婚啊，还是说有什么请客啦，这些有见过。
Yes, I think I have met him during some Chinese social events. For example, like wedding or any kind of events with the Chinese people.
Okay. Pero iba pa to. Yung mga photos na to, hindi lang siya social events, business events talaga. Mr. Yang, sino ang boss nyo? Kanino kayo nagre-report?
请问杨先生，您的老板是谁？
我没有老板啊，没有。
你跟谁做报告？
没有啊，我都没有跟谁做报告啊。
None. I don't have a boss. I don't report to anyone.
So kayo ang pinaka-boss?
你是大老板了。
Claro.
不是我去做我自己的生意，是这样。
Everyone else reports to you.
所以所有的人就在对你报告。
就是我的生意，就是我都没有对别人报告啊，没有啊。
And because these are all my own businesses, so I don't report to anyone.
Pati yung Oro One, it's your own business at you don't report to anyone sa Oro One. Everyone in Oro One reports to you.
So 包括这个 Oro One 也就是你的，对吧？所以所有的人就在对你报告。
Oro One 也没有对我报告什么，就是我那个租给他们的租金，他们交给我啊。
Oro One is not reporting to me. No one from Oro One is reporting to me. They're
You
just
are the
giving-
president, Mr. Yang.
你是这边说的那个董事长或是总经理的。
我当时是那个他们给我租地方嘛，要我说就是提供那个公司的营业执照啦，就去申请这个欧罗湾就这样。
The reason why my name was in Oro One is because during that time I rented out the place to them.
Hindi lang ang pangalan nyo nasa Oro One dahil nag-rent lang kayo sa kanila. Bukod sa presidente, kayo ang majority shareholder ng Oro One.
而且我们发现你是 Oro One 是最大的股东。
当时是申请这个，我也不大知道，也不大清楚，反正就是说要一个公司提供他们方便嘛，就去叫那个什么，叫那个母鸡波还是什么去办嘛，就这样。
Yes, it was only during that time that they needed help with the permits and all. That's why I was connected with them. It was the bookkeeper who recorded.
Sir, hindi lang kayo hiningan ng tulong. Hindi lang kayo tulad ni Guo Huaping na authorized representative ng was it Hongsheng at nakakuha ng letter of no objection sa municipal board noon ng Bamban. Sa mga papeles na ito, kayo ang presidente, kayo rin ang majority shareholder ng Oro One. Now, I know that Oro One is a POGO service provider, pero interesado din ako sa Philippine Steel, Sanja Steel Corporation. Ito yung incorporation documents niya. Ito po. It's supposed to be a steel plant, pero mukhang may POGO-like facilities din sa loob. May dorm-style facilities, may restricted area na bawal kaming mga Pilipino. Meron pang torturer, may tagapalo. Ilan po ba ang foreign nationals sa facility niyong ito ng Sanja?
OK， 还有一个就是我们想问关于这个三江这个钢铁的公司，对吗？但是我们发现它里面的设施有像这些博彩公司的一些设施，比如说它有住宅区啊，它也有这些酷刑室，还有一些就是眼镜进去的地方。
Mr. Yang, hindi po ito nakakatawa. Seryosong usapin ito para sa aming mga Pilipino. At kahit hindi kayo Pilipino, kahit Chino kayo, nandito kayo sa aming bansa, dapat seryosohin nyo po yung aming mga tanong at yung pag-translate ni Miss Caroline.
Okay.
谢谢。
谢谢。
你要认真的回答。
好，我都认真的回答，真的。
好，谢谢。
Yes, Miss Caroline, anong sagot niya? Ilan ang foreign nationals dyan sa facility ng Sanja?
请问在这个三家公司一共有几个外国人在这里？
三家公司具体几个准确，我是不敢确定，但是大概在110个中国人左右，110个左右中国人。
100个
110个左右。
So I cannot confirm the exact number of foreign nationals here at Sanjian Steel Corporation, but I am estimating around 110. 110 Chinese nationals.
Hang in there, Mr. Yang. Pwede pong matanong Yusek Cruz sa PAOK, ilan ang alam ninyong at nako-confirm ninyong foreign nationals dyan sa Sanja facility ni Mr. Yang?
Yes, Madam Chair. During their heyday, we're looking at around 2,000 POGO workers. But ngayon, ma'am, mga less than 300 na lang po.
Alright, salamat po Yusek Cruz. So, Mr. Yang, narinig nyo yon in In its heyday, ang Sanja may mga 2,000 na nalalaman ng mga otoridad namin na foreign nationals dyan. Pero ngayon, less than 300. So medyo malapit, pero malayo pa rin. Kung less than 300, mga 200. Doble sa sinasabi niyong 110. And in any case, why would you need hundreds of Chinese to build steel dyan sa Sanja, Miss Carolyn?
请问为什么需要这么多中国人或是110个中国人来到你的钢铁公司来工作？
因为这个钢铁厂的那个机器吧，很大，很大的机器，还有就是110个工人都那些机器吧，一定要技术工才懂得可以做，就是要技术工，要懂得那个炼钢铁的那些技术的。
Okay, this is because the machines that we have in the steel factories are big, and then we will need 110 skilled workers who knows the technology of steel manufacturing.
Marami pong Pilipinong skilled workers na marunong sa steel manufacturing. 1950s, 1960s pa, may steel manufacturing na dito. Ano yung trabaho ng mga Chinese nationals na yon?
请问这些中国人，这个110个中国人，他们在你的工厂是做什么？
他们在里面就是大部分都是那些技术人员，就是要懂得机器的，就是在看着机器的这个。但是我们就是有这样嘛，比如说一个岗位要4个中国人的，我们就有，比如说先2个菲律宾人跟4个中国人跟着在写到，因为这个要有技术工的嘛，比如说写到1年2年，这个菲律宾人懂了，我们就会把中国人换掉，用菲律宾人嘛。因为我们也喜欢用菲律宾人，但是这种机器吧，这种机器是有那个技术的，要有技术的，就是会等菲律宾人熟悉了，就会换掉，把中国人给他回去。因为用中国人，我们也不喜欢用中国人了，用中国人一点工资要。他们请他们来，工资要高，我们也要给他给他买机票，还有来这边也要宿舍给他住，就是很不得已，我们才要用那个中国人，因为这个是要有技术的东西，不是说随便请一些工人就可以做的，就是这个意思吧。
Okay, actually, just like what I said, we need the Chinese for the technical aspect of the machines, like the mechanical operations of the machines. And for example, in one station, there will be 10 Chinese workers working. And then we will just add 2 Filipino workers and train them together with the Chinese. And sometimes it will take 1 to 2 years for these Filipino workers to be trained. And then after the training, after they get used to the machine, we will be changing the Chinese. Actually, we do not want really the Chinese workers to work in our factory because there are a lot of factors. First, we need to give them higher salary compared to the Filipino workers.
Yes, lower salaries for Filipinos. Nice.
Yes, and the second is we also have to shoulder their plane tickets to come here to the Philippines. The third reason that we do not prefer the Chinese is because we also need to provide a dormitory for them. And the fourth reason
Why?
is...
Where do the Filipinos stay? On
Uh,
Banig, in common areas? Please proceed, Ms. Caroline.
Okay, and then afterwards, the only reason why that we will employ these Chinese nationals to work in our factory is only when they are needed for the technical and the mechanical aspect of operating the machines. That's why we did not hire them just for the sake of hiring Chinese nationals, but because we really need those kinds of skills.